Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to easily learn any skill we want. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open the ChatGPT website. We can go to Google and here we just need to search for the ChatGPT. Then we can click the ChatGPT website to open it. And basically, if we want to learn any skill we want with the ChatGPT, we just need to tell the ChatGPT what kind of skill we want to learn. And for example, I'm going to learn about copywriting. So I'm going to tell the ChatGPT I want to learn about copywriting. Okay, once you're done typing your prompt, you can click on the send button. Then the ChatGPT will provide you information that related to the copywriting. Okay, and you just need to wait until the generating process completed. Okay, actually you can open the ChatGPT on your PC as well, guys. But here I'm just going to use my phone to open the ChatGPT website. Feel free if you want to open the ChatGPT website on your PC. Then once it's done, you can copy all this information maybe to your Microsoft Word. If you want to copy the result, you just need to tap on hold on it. Then you can select the text you want to copy, or actually you can choose select all. Just click on select all. Then you just need to copy this text. Just click on copy. Then you can copy this text to your Microsoft Word maybe. And after that, you can ask the ChatGPT to create study schedule for you. I'm going to ask to create study schedule. Okay, click on the send button. Okay, and here is the result. The ChatGPT will create study schedule for us. And wow, guys, that's amazing. ChatGPT has just created a study schedule for us until the week 4. And then I recommend you to ask the ChatGPT to provide you with learning resources. So you just need to type provide me with learning resources. For the prompt, you can customize it as you need. The more complete the prompt you type on ChatGPT, the better result you will get. So I recommend you to type the complete prompt for ChatGPT so ChatGPT can provide you complete information. Okay, and we just need to click on the send button, and this are the result. Okay, and that's how we can use ChatGPT to easily learn any skill we want. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.